What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this rugged smartphone. This is a very budget rugged smartphone. This one costs 129 US dollars, but usually there are some discounts and this one costs around 109 US dollars. But depending on your region and country, the price may vary. And yeah, even if this one costs around 179 US dollars, I would buy one because this one offers a very good value for money as a rugged smartphone. Don't compare this one with any other usual smartphone. This is a very good rugged smartphone. This one comes with a lot of nice and interesting features. There are three main features of this rugged smartphone. Number one, this one comes with a 15,000 mAh battery and this one can be used as a power bank. That means this one can recharge other devices. Number two, Hotwav has provided Android 12. Yeah, this Hotwav W10 comes with the most updated Android 12 OS out of the box. Number 3, this one offers a great value for money. Considering I have only paid 129 US dollars for this rugged smartphone, a light rugged smartphone. This one weighs around 450 grams, which seems like a feather-light device compared to other rugged smartphones. Well, we will talk about all the features, we will do some testing and this and that, but before everything, as this one comes with IP68, IP69K rating, what we are gonna do is we are gonna put this rugged smartphone inside a water jar for 10 minutes. Let's see what happens, and after that we will do all the testing on this device. Yeah, we will start from unboxing and then we will end with a verdict. But before everything, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Okay, typical Hotwav packaging. After opening the top lid, there is a card which clearly shows W10 has IP68, IP69K rating, military standard 810G rating. That's amazing. Underneath this card, that's our Hotwav W10. Let's put the phone aside for a while. Let's see what other things we have inside the box. Okay, there is a good quality USB A to C charging cable, a USB A to C dongle, a nicely designed SIM ejector tool, and a user manual. Hotwav has also provided an 18-watt charger. I really need to mention this is a very good quality charger. Well, here comes our Hotwav W10, a very good looking rugged smartphone. Even if this is a bit bulkier than usual smartphones, in hand it feels premium. Hotwav W10 got a very unique and appealing appearance. Actually, all the rugged smartphones are a bit heavy, but this Hotwav W10 is not like other rugged smartphones. This one weighs only 450 grams. Considering this W10 got a massive 15,000 mAh battery, 450 grams is like feather light. I'm super surprised and happy. On the left, there is nothing but a SIM tray. Yeah, this supports storage expansion and there is a dedicated TF card slot. Volume rockers and power button is on the right side. On top there is a 3.5mm port, secondary noise cancellation microphone and antenna bands. USB-C port, primary microphone and two other antenna bands are located in the bottom part. I really like this design language and the rear camera block. It looks so very different. That orange color here and there gives the phone a vibrant vibe. Let's power on this super value rugged smartphone. Let's check the display panel. W10 comes with a 720p HD Plus display panel. This is a 6.53-inch premium LCD panel. I think this is one of the best 720p panels that I have used. As this is a super budget rugged smartphone, I am happy with this 720p panel. Hotwav W10 got a single loudspeaker located at the bottom rear part. It works well. I am amazed by its sound performance.
Steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit ya, dropping out.
Well, this is a rugged smartphone. This one comes with a 13 megapixel main rear camera And yeah, Hotwav has also added a auxiliary sensor at the rear panel. There is a 5 megapixel selfie sensor, so altogether we can take some decent photos with this Hotwav W10.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change. 'Cause I know you got me.
Well, as I've mentioned earlier, this Hotwav W10 can be used as a power bank. This one can recharge other devices. Today I have this Red Magic 7S Pro here. Let's connect one part of a cable to this Hotwav W10. And now I'm gonna connect the other part of the cable to my Red Magic 7S Pro. Wow, amazing! This Hotwav W10 can recharge my Red Magic 7S Pro at a very good speed. Hotwav always provides stock Android, and this time this Hotwav W10 comes with stock Android 12, which is great and super amazing considering this is a very budget rugged smartphone. And even if Hotwav only offers 1 or 2 major Android updates, that will be great for a rugged smartphone. Talking about playing games on this device would be a bit harsh because this one comes with Helio A22. But you know what? The truth is, we can play games on this one. I have managed to play Real Racing 3 without any issues, without any lags. And yeah, I have enjoyed playing games on this one. But this one is no way a gaming device, so I cannot recommend playing games on this one. But one more time, definitely we can play games on this one and we can get some relaxation while we are bored or tired. Well, as usual, this Hotwav W10, like many other smartphones, comes with fingerprint and face unlock option. Yeah, the fingerprint sensor is actually located at the rear panel, and yeah, it's easy to use this fingerprint sensor. It's a very easy to register fingerprints. It's also very easy to register face data with that face unlock option. Both the face unlock and fingerprint sensor works very fine, very smooth without any issue. Well, after watching through this video, what do you think? What's your verdict? If you are into rugged smartphone, then I believe you have already started to like this smartphone. As a rugged smartphone, this one will get 10 out of 10 for appearance, 10 out of 10 for build quality, 10 out of 10 for features, and 10 out of 10 for value for money. So this one gets 10 out of 10 on all 4 segments. This is my choice of budget rugged smartphone at this moment. If you have any question about this W10, then please make a comment and let me know. If you know about any other rugged smartphones which costs less than this but comes with more features and performs better, then also please make a comment and let me know. I'll try to buy that one and do a comparison with this one. Okay, it's time to wrap up. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like,